Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Race back with another video on the channel. In this video, I will talk about actually walk through how I create fast YouTube thumbnails. So I have a YouTube channel. As you guys watching this channel, I create thumbnails using one of the online AI-based application that makes the process very, very fast. Now, I used to use application like Affinity Photo or Photoshop, which would take some time to create a thumbnail if you have some manual stuff that you have to do. But at the age of AI, you don't really need to spend a lot of time creating a thumbnail anymore. I'm going to be reviewing this Adobe Express application in this video. This is obviously a paid product. And if you do have a Creative Cloud account, then you have access to Adobe Express, which is amazing. I will be creating a YouTube video thumbnail using Adobe Express. So I'm setting up the live stream for a Flutter, which I'll be creating a SaaS product. And if you want to follow along, I'll paste the link to that live stream. But you should subscribe to the channel and turn on notification if you want to keep follow the journey of creating a SaaS product using Flutter. So let's quickly go ahead and then use Adobe Express. I'll open that in a new tab and let me go ahead and then just delete this tab. Now within this product, I really like the way they lay out all the, templates that you can use. For example, if you're creating a logo, you can browse template, a video, for your, any kind of video editing, you can do that online as well. You want to create a resume, you want to create a web page or Instagram story or, invitation letter, that is amazing as well. So there's a lot of things that you can do and a lot of templates are there as well. So I will be clicking on this social media button, but I'll just zoom into it a bit. Click on social media button, and within this you have an option to go to YouTube, and then here you can create a YouTube video actually using AI or by chatting with it, or create a YouTube thumbnail. So I'll just quickly create a YouTube thumbnail. We get a clean canvas, but we also have YouTube thumbnail templates that we can use to start building our thumbnail very, very easily. Now, usually what I do is just go ahead and then choose one of the template and then just start from it. But as you can see, there's a lot of people actually in the thumbnails, and I don't want that because I'll be doing live streaming. Either I will have to replace those images myself, but I don't want to do that. So I will go ahead and then just type a prompt. Let's just say learn and enter. And let's see what it comes with. No, still not good. So I don't waste time, but I'll choose one of the plain one. So let's say click on this business lecture creator. No, I don't want that. Though let's see this one. How does this look? Okay, let's start with the new file and we get another tab. Now at this stage, you will see we got all the graphics and then text on it. Now, I will quickly give you a quick tutorial on Adobe Express. So basically, when you select an element, you will see all the customization properties on the left here. Let's say I'll select an image, then you see it has a different properties. It's actually an icon. In terms of templates, you can go back to templates or you can go to media to actually import media from your computer. Let's say it says upload from device, or you can use an AI to generate an image on the fly. But first, let's go ahead and then look at some global options. So you can click on resize to resize your current canvas to whatever the size. There's a lot of recommended or templates already there, or you can manually change the width and height for that. You can select a theme, and a theme is like, changing the same template into different kind of things. And I really like, let's see this one. This is looking much better. But there's a lot of options. There's a color, different types of color. And this color is okay as well. But what I'll do is I will use to show you. This is yeah, that's better. Okay, so now that's your theme, and you can also replace the background color for your canvas by going to background color and then changing from swatches to more color. Then in here you can choose whatever color you like, or you can also add a custom color by providing it a hex value. click on this uh, like button, which will give you a color picker from your desktop. So that's pretty much it. And then one another thing that we look at is the translate. So basically the page is now translated in English, but if you're using other language, you can go ahead and then translate this whole text and everything into another language very easily. For example, how to use a semicolon. Let's see here, and we'll translate and then detected English. And if you want to change this to, let's say, Bangla, we can duplicate and translate. You'll see that it will just create the same thing with a different language, which is amazing. Now what I want to do is go back to English. Now these are all the common options. You have select the property and then you get to see there's some thumbnail and text and what type of things you can choose on the right. But let me go to the AI part of this application where you can generate images. So we go to media and I click on text to image. Here it asks me what type of image size that I would like to create. So for me it's like wide screen, and here it gives you a placeholder, and after a couple of seconds it'll take you to this text to image. Now here we can type what we want it to generate, like objects, textures, people, colors, and a lot. So I will type art for technology. Let's see what it builds. Okay, yeah, so you can also select the content type if you want to, and you can choose the styles depending on the input you're giving it. It's gonna try generating the and matching the content type. So here we have a technology art. Okay, that's pretty shit actually. So let's go mobile technology, apps, technology, and we click on photo this time. Click on generate. Let's see how good the photo comes out to be. Come on. It's taking much longer now. Okay, that's good. So you got this general app, AI generated photo. That's another photo. That's another photo. Okay, so you can actually generate images by prompting text to image. Okay, text spot is pretty straightforward, guys. If you used any Photoshop or anything, just click on a, text and then that'll be placed to your canvas and you can, change the text or colors and everything from that as well. The elements is pretty good. There's so many elements that you can search from. There's a list of elements that is very close to thousands. So yeah, you can do that. That's pretty good. And you have a lot of backgrounds, shapes, icons. Okay, so you search for those and you can just bring it in into your canvas. Good is like if you want to, make this effect into your canvas, you can do that as well. So let's brand. So here you say create a brand and tell your story. That's something that you can try out, but I haven't really tried out. Now for me is like I'll just delete this and just delete this as well. And I would like to replace this image with something, a element, and we go to design asset and we just say app. Let's say app. And I like the asset here, which is this one. And I'll just bring it here and then just say, okay, that's my favorite asset for this thumbnail. And once you're happy with your thumbnail, you click on download and then that's it. That's what you get an image. Now I have actually created one template. I'll show you that took me like 15-20 minutes. So I'll go to your stuff and here is the template that I created for, let's say, as an image. There you go. That's the template that I created, and I think this icon is pretty good. So I'm building a SaaS product using Flutter, actually learning and building at the same time. And I'm going to be doing it live, so I needed that template thumbnails, which I used Adobe Express to build one. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the live stream. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for all the Flutter related tutorials. So that's it. That's just a walkthrough of how I build YouTube thumbnails using Adobe Express, which is a lot easier, and uh, how I do it. It's a paid product, you don't have to buy it, but it's really handy and make me build thumbnails very, very fast, sometimes like 5 minutes. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.